All students have purpose. Everyone has their own personal motivations for their respective goals. Why do you do what you do? What do you believe? Why does it matter? These are the questions that matter for your future. High school is a beautiful opportunity to begin this journey of self-discovery and to set a course for purpose towards your own individual respective motivations. So, we're going to do just that. Your collective purposeful drive is known as your mission statement. This is a vision for your actions. The motivation for your mission statement is your why. So in this video, we're going to create something that encapsulates both. Understanding your purpose and your direction is one of the most valuable insights you can have as you move forward in your future. In this project, you will create a 3 to 5 minute video essay that details the following. First, what your mission statement is, and second, what your why is. So the expectation is that you provide a polished, edited video essay that explains both of these. This will be submitted. Create it with the intention that others will view it. Guys, make sure that you create something that is school appropriate, that you'd be happy for any future employer, school, or family member to see. So, a mission statement is the driving goal that you align your actions to achieve. This is our deliverable that we chase. Every major corporation projects their vision and their identity to keep focus on this major goal. Look at any major website. Look at any major poster. Look at the social media that corporations have. Your mission statement is a compass to guide your actions so that you realize and manifest your goals. Your why is your explanation of authenticity. The beautiful part about this question is that it has a unique and different answer for everyone. Your passion, love, and values are a product of your identity. Start with what matters to you and delve into what motivates your actions. Find the intrinsic guide that explains your purpose and your reason for achievement. So the internet has retconned authorship for this fish and tree quote to Einstein. And while he might have never said it, the idea resonates because it recognizes the importance of our agency and how important it is for us to choose our path because we know what's best for us. So please reflect on why things matter to you, and in this project, tell the world your why. So in speaking of whys, Phil Schlechte diagnosed every school environment as a place full of people, full of potential and motivation. They just need to know their why.
Another thing I know about engagement is that when people are engaged, they're willing to allocate the scarce resources over which they have control, primarily their time. If students are engaged, they persist, and they commit voluntarily their time.
Further, Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why, contends that people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do something. This project is designed to get us to ask the good questions. Why do you come to school? Why do you want to graduate? What do you want to do? How do you want to achieve your goals? We're laying a foundation for your professional life. You are welcome to change your goals. I know I sure did plenty. Your why could be your family, it could be your future career, your dreams, your faith, your community, or your desire to create a better life. You get to choose. I can't wait to see your guys' mission statements, and I really look forward to watching your answers.